Computer technology refers to the tools, techniques, and methods used to create, store, process, and communicate information using computers. This includes hardware components, such as processors, memory, and storage devices, software applications, such as operating systems and productivity suites, and networks that allow computers to communicate with each other. Computer technology has evolved rapidly since the first digital computers were introduced in the 1940s. Today, computers are used in a wide range of applications, from personal computing and entertainment to scientific research and industrial automation. Some of the key areas of computer technology include 1. Hardware. This includes the physical components of a computer, such as the central processing unit, CPU, memory, storage devices, and input-output devices. 2. Software. This includes the programs and applications that run on a computer, such as operating systems, productivity suites, and specialized software for specific tasks. 3. Networking. This includes the technologies and protocols used to connect computers together, such as local area networks, LANs, wide area networks, WANs, and the Internet. 4. Security. This includes the measures used to protect computer systems and networks from unauthorized access, such as firewalls, antivirus software, and encryption. Overall, computer technology has transformed the way we work, communicate, and live our lives, and it continues to evolve and shape the world we live in. Thanks for watching.